Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, December 12th, and we have some interesting stuff on the docket today, 8:30 this morning, which is about 20 minutes ago. We had core CPI month over month, which was 0.3%, which was as expected. Also had CPI month over month, which was greater than expected. That is bad. CPI year over year, same as expected, 3.1%. And we have 30-year bond auctions at 1 p.m. and the Federal Reserve budget balance at 2 p.m. Looking ahead, we do have some interesting stuff going on tomorrow. We have a lot of Fed statements, FOMC press conference. So just remember, Wednesday looks like could be a pretty ugly day. However, initially it was as expected, so the market said, "Oh, this is good news," and then they thought about the CPI month over month going up, and they not liking it so much. So looking ahead, let's look at. Oh, before we look ahead, this week is rollover week. So what does that mean? It means you go from the December contract. You get rid of it, you go to the March because the December contract expires on Friday. And so the question is, most traders will say, well, when's the best time to switch during the week? And I usually switch on Monday or Tuesday, but sometimes I'll wait longer. And here's how you can tell when to trade and switch is when the current month or the forward month, I should say, the March contract. Look at the volume, 2 million, 2.1 million, and the December contract had 1.6. So you can see that the forward contract now has more volume than the current contract. So that's your, where do you find this information? It's in the cmegroup.com under markets, equities, S&P, E-mini, -SAND P500 volume. There it is. So if you're going to go to this page, right? You make sure you're on futures. You scroll down and it gives you the data from the previous day. So this gives you an idea of which contract has the most volume, and that's the contract you want to be trading because we want the most amount of liquidity that we can possibly get. And more volume equals more liquidity. Okay, so jump into the daily chart. Yesterday we had an up day. That would have been the third day up, as you can see. I can't make that bigger. We can see a little bit bigger. Third day up, starting off a little bit down, but you remember 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So 3 days up, certainly a probability is good that we'll have a fourth day. The fourth day will be a down day. Not always, but some. That's a pattern that's very common within the market. Where could we go? I think we could easily get up into this 4704 area. Downside, I think we could easily retest 4651.50. Okay, so there's your where could it go today. Inventory was positive with positive price action, all normal. If it's normal, when it's normal like that, they're correlated, everything's good. So moving on, nothing to say there. Intraday, there's the we met expectations, and then there's the oops, not so much. The CPI month over month was higher than expected. Boom, 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 boom. Why? CPI goes up. It's a consumer price index, means prices are going up. Not good. Inflation still continues. Yes, Fed may not cut rates, may have to leave them higher, may have to raise rates. And there you go. That's what's going on right there. Taking a look at the intraday, since we're already here. Intraday, where do we have support resistance? Big resistance around 47.12, 47.30, and 47.53. Support, on the other hand, got some around 46.53, 46.51, 46.35, 46.30, 46.20 are the intraday numbers. Stock Traders Almanac today is 57.1, so a positive bias based on historic calculations from the Stock Traders Almanac. There you have it. Have a great day. See you guys tomorrow. Remember, subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.